So as a videographer, having a portable power is important. Sometimes I'm at locations where I just don't have a power outlet. So it's very nice and efficient to get something like this, an EcoFlow River 3, a portable power station designed to keep your gear running without interruption. Look how tiny that is. First off, this thing could power your refrigerator and your light and things like that when power goes out. Most importantly, I really wanted this for my videography projects. This thing has 245 watt power output with 6 outlets. So with this kind of power, it can power your MacBook Pro twice, it can power your drone 5 times, and it can power your camera 10 times. You can power all your video gears at the same time. So one of the big questions I had was that sometimes I carry around big 300 watt video light like this. If you are at 100 watt and below, you can get yourself an external battery, V-mount batteries, NP batteries, and use them to light that. But if you go beyond 100 watt or using 150 watt, 300 watt light, you normally have to plug it to the wall. But with this little guy, you could plug this massive 300 watt light and go full power at 300 watt. It has a display that tells you how much time you have left when you are plugged in. So when you turn this on, it's very quiet. And from 0 to 80% charge in less than an hour. It uses both the wall charger and also a cigarette lighter charger. You can use your car to power this up when you are in a mobile location, which is very convenient. So you can also use an app to control your EcoFlow River 3. You can control the amount of output. It'll tell you how much power you have left and for you to turn it on and turn it off. So if you're a videographer like me and you need a mobile power system, then I definitely recommend this awesome sized EcoFlow River 3. I got the link below, and if you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support.